Hello and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to talk about NLP project, which is also called a natural language project, where you will be surprised to like know that we will be using both unsupervised learning model and supervised machine learning model in the same project. Why we required both of them, we will discuss that. So it's a hybrid machine learning project and let's see first of all the use case of this web app that I've created. Whenever the customer submits a ticket or complaint, this machine learning model, which is already trained, will classify that ticket into the topic, and that topics are five topics that we have listed here. The five topics are banking transactions and customer services, credit card, credit reports and inquiries, credit card billing and errors, fraudulent charges and disputes, and home loans and mortgage issues. So you can see that this is for a banking domain where a ticket is created, and initially the user was supposed to select manually what is the exact topic, and the categorization could even be faulty. So this will improve the overall efficiency of the system by automatically label that and send it to the relevant department. So this reduces a lot of manual effort as well, where if the user does not select the right topic, then also there's a problem. And if there is no option to select the topic and just submit the complaint, then someone has to read this um, ticket, like I have a home loan and there is revised rate from RBI, kindly update my home loan rate. So someone has to read through, understand, and then select the topic or select the category. So this will also require some kind of training to someone who does not have any knowledge about banking domain. So once you submit this topic, it will in click on classify, it will automatically classify the topic and send it to the relevant person, reducing the overall manual effort. That's the overall advantage of this app. And how did we come to the point where we were able to get this machine learning model? We have three things that I was able to build. One, we have finalized XGBoost model. This model is trained upon the overall complaints that got, and there is count vectorizer that I have used here, and a transformer called TF-IDF. What are these things? We will get into the details why this is a hybrid approach, like a unsupervised machine learning model and then a supervised one. We will see, because the end result is that we are actually using a supervised learning model. However, initially whatever the complaints that I received, that was in the JSON format and the categories were not there. So we have to decide on five different categories, then based on that we feed that thing into a machine learning model, so that becomes a supervised learning model. So that's why this is a hybrid approach. So the complaints which were in JSON format, I got that, normalized it using the JSON library of Python. This is the complaint. The original complaint was in such a form where it had all types of words, and what we need to do is clean this entire complaint thing by removing the stop words, by removing these XXXs, then lemmatizing the words, that is to get the word in its root form. And what I mean by root form is acceptable will become accept, and all types of different words like ate, eating, and all will come to its root form, so that the meaning is retained and the model can be trained upon it. So that is called lemmatization. Stop words are basically is the which does not add any meaning to that, and then getting the relevant topics by NMF modeling, which is a topic modeling in itself, and is a unsupervised model where it will it is basically it will kind of a clustering types, where it will get all the topics and get it into five different, you can say, categorization from 0 to 4. Then what we will do is we will get the number of like most occurring words of those topics, label those topics, and after labeling we will feed that into supervised learning models, look at the accuracy, select the model which is best performing, and we have looked at logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, and XGBoost. Out of that, logistic regression and XGBoost were the best performing ones. We have selected the XGBoost model, saved that model, and then used that model in our final app, which is here. And then the final app uses it. So whenever the new complaint comes in, that complaint will automatically get classified into the relevant topic, which can then be used for further processing by the department. So it's quite useful, for the banking domain, but overall it can, this particular technique can be used for other purposes, like on Amazon. If someone is submitting a review for a product, then that can automatically classify in, you know n different categories that you want to see. And someone, if wants to look at a review of a product for, let's say, a mobile phone, and people are talking and if a person wants to see something on, the product features, then the topic would automatically come up there, and someone clicks on that product features topic will be able to filter out automatically all the product feature related reviews and read on it, so that the customer can take informed decision. So this is the automatic ticket classification model. Do let me know your thoughts. How did you like it? If there are any feedbacks, and open to any collaborative work that we can do. So thank you so much, and once again, happy studying and more power with AI and ML. Thank you.